Hello everyone, and welcome to this complete step-by-step guide on how to use Claude AI. If you are a beginner looking to understand how to actually use AI to get real work done, you are in the right place. Claude is not just a standard chatbot, it is a highly advanced AI assistant that helps you write, analyze dense information, and create formatted documents all in one place. In this video, we are going to walk through practical, real-world examples. To make this easy to follow, we're going to pretend we run a boutique gym called Apex Fitness. To get started, head over to Claude AI. I've left a link in the description below. You can easily sign up for a free account using your Google email. Once you log in, you are greeted by the main chat interface. Before we dive into prompting, let's quickly customize our workspace. By default, Claude is in light mode. If you prefer dark mode, simply click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, select Settings, go to Appearance, and switch it to dark mode. Now let's head back to the main chat window and get to work. Right in the center of the screen, you'll see the main prompt box. This is where you tell Claude what you want it to do. You'll also notice a drop-down menu for the AI models. On the free plan, you have access to Sonnet 4.6, which is incredibly fast and smart. If you upgrade to the Pro plan, you unlock Opus for highly complex tasks, but for today, Sonnet is more than capable. Let's take a quick tour of the interface. On the left-hand side, you'll find your main navigation menu. From here, you can easily start a new chat, use Search to find past conversations, and access your history under Chats. Down at the bottom left is your profile section. You can also see here that I'm currently using the free plan. Once you get a feel for how to use Claude today, you can decide if you ever want to upgrade to the Pro plan for those more advanced features. And right in the center of your screen is the main chat. Let's start with a common administrative task, writing a sensitive email to a customer. Let's type in our first prompt. Write a professional and polite email to a gym member, letting them know their credit card on file was declined for their monthly Apex Fitness membership. We'll hit Submit and let Claude generate the response. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, Claude provides a perfectly structured professional email. It even gives us 2 variations to choose from. However, this reads a little bit too corporate for our brand. Our gym is friendly and community-focused. The beauty of Claude is that you don't have to start over, you just have a conversation with it. Let's refine it by typing, "Make this a bit more friendly and conversational. Also add an offer. If they update their payment info within 48 hours, we will give them a free Apex smoothie at the shake bar." Notice how Claude seamlessly adjusts the tone, making it warm and inviting while perfectly weaving in our smoothie offer. From here, you can simply click the copy icon to paste it into your email client, or click Send via Gmail to open it directly in your inbox. Now that we've mastered basic writing, let's look at one of Claude's strongest features, working with files. Let's say our marketing agency just sent us a dense, multi-page Q3 marketing report. Instead of spending 20 minutes reading through all the data, we can have Claude do the heavy lifting. You can click the plus icon to attach a file, or simply drag and drop your PDF right into the chat box. Once it's attached, we'll give Claude a very specific prompt. Summarize this marketing report. Give me 3 bullet points on the key takeaways, and specifically tell me which ad creative performed the best and which one we should turn off. When we hit enter, Claude reads the entire document instantly. Look at this output. It bypassed all the marketing jargon and gave us exactly what we need to make a business decision. It identified that our Kettlebell Bootcamp ad is driving the most leads and recommends we pause the Yoga Flow ad. This feature works with PDFs, Word documents, and even Excel spreadsheets. So far, we've used Claude like a traditional chatbot, but this next feature, called Artifacts, takes things to a whole new level. If we go to the left sidebar and click Artifacts, we can create a dedicated workspace for things like documents, code, or website designs. Let's click Create Artifact and select Documents and Templates. For this example, let's ask Claude to create a product for our gym. Create a comprehensive 30-day Summer Shred Fitness Challenge for Apex Fitness. Include a weekly workout split, a basic nutrition philosophy, and a checklist of required gym equipment. Watch what happens. Instead of just giving us text in the chat, Claude creates a beautifully formatted standalone document on the right side of the screen. You can scroll through it, download it as a PDF, or publish it to the web. But what if we want to change just one specific part of this document? Let's scroll down to the nutrition section. It's a bit too wordy. With artifacts, you can highlight a specific paragraph, click the Improve button, and give it a targeted command. Let's type, "Make this nutrition section much more concise," and add a bulleted list of 5 high-protein snack ideas. When we click Submit, Claude intelligently updates only that specific section, leaving our perfect workout split above it completely untouched. This makes editing large documents incredibly easy. When you're working on a big campaign, like launching our Summer Shred Challenge, your chats and files can get messy quickly. To keep things organized, Claude has a feature called Projects. Think of a project as a digital filing cabinet for a specific goal. Let's convert this artifact into a project. Click Add to Project at the top, and let's name it Apex Fitness 30. Now let's open that project from our left sidebar. Inside, you'll see our 30-day plan is already saved, but to make this project truly powerful, we need to feed Claude more context. I'm going to upload a new PDF file, a target audience persona I created earlier, detailing our ideal customer, a busy professional named Sarah. By adding this to the project knowledge column, Claude will now remember who Sarah is for every future conversation in this workspace. Next, let's set some custom instructions. This tells Claude how to behave specifically inside this project. I'll click Edit Instructions and type, "Always use a highly motivating, high energy, and encouraging tone. Use fitness industry terms, but keep them simple enough for beginners. Include 3 relevant emojis at the end of every response." Now let's put it all together. I'll type our final prompt. Based on our summer shred plan and keeping our target persona, Sarah, in mind, write a short Instagram caption announcing this challenge. Focus on how it fits into a busy professional schedule. Look at the result. Because it's inside this project, Claude synthesized the 30-day workout document, it remembered Sarah's pain points from the persona PDF, and it applied our high-energy custom instructions with the emojis. It's exactly like having a dedicated digital marketing assistant sitting right next to you. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly point out that as you get more advanced, you can click the plus icon to add connectors, allowing Claude to talk directly to your Google Drive or Google Calendar. You can also create skills, which are saved automated workflows for tasks you do every day, but we'll cover those in a future advanced tutorial. And there you have it. Now you know how to go from staring at a blank screen to writing, analyzing data, and managing full projects using Claude AI. I highly recommend you log in, upload some of your own files, and just start playing around with it. If you found this beginner's guide helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.